A Wi-Fi splash page is more than internet access. It transforms guest network authentication into a strategic data capture and brand engagement opportunity, delivering verified first-party data whilst ensuring GDPR compliance and security. First, choose cloud-hosted architectures for multi-site deployments. They deliver scalability, centralized management, and robust analytics. Second, design mobile first. Over 70% of connections occur on smartphones using restricted captive network assistant pseudo-browsers. Third, separate marketing consent from terms acceptance. GDPR requires explicit, granular, and unticked opt-in mechanisms entirely separate from terms of service. Fourth, limit required data fields and enable social OAuth logins to capture verified demographic data efficiently. Fifth, configure walled gardens meticulously to allow access to necessary external assets like OAuth servers prior to full authentication. Read the full guide at purple.ai